What is up, you little carrots? Welcome back to Leroy Fixing Shit. My name is Leroy Scuttlebutt, and today I'm going to show you all how to put in a shower head in your showers, okay? We got a Moen Engage. That's what we're using. The shit in the box right here. Got the shower head, the little sprayer, and the little hose. So what you all are going to need for this project, apparently according to Moen, you don't really need much of anything except for an adjustable wrench, which I couldn't find. But I got this fancy schmancy pair right here, Cobalt channel locks. We're going to make her happen with that. So anyways, if you guys were to have to tape it, sorry, I got some construction lights in here. I got the power cut off. But anyways, if you guys were going to have to tape it, what you want to do is go in a clockwise direction, okay? And the reason for that is when the tape comes off, when you rip it off, you're tightening it to the right, okay? So you're going to tighten that tape down, and it's going to give you a good seal. But according to this, you don't need it. We're going to test that out today. It's got this nice little washer here. But anyways, first step on this one is to loosen this ball up so that you can wiggle it around. So you just loosen this nut a little bit so you can move it. Now, as with anything else, when you all come in here and you go to hook something up, always go backwards till you hear that click. And that makes sure you all get the thread in the right spot, okay? You don't want to fucking do it the other way, because then you'll be replacing the arm and everything, and shit will be leaking. Your old lady ain't going to be happy with the job you done, you know what I'm saying? So now we got it right there. Get this channel locks open a little bit. Go. You all probably want to use an adjustable. I just didn't feel like going to find one right now. Alright, so you tighten her down like that. And you guys are going to want to twist this over like so. That way it's looking in the right direction. And then you tighten this nut back here back down. The one in the back. Y'all got to tighten that back down. Okay. Now the next step on this stuff here, you're going to take out this here hose. Take all these little twist ties and bullshit off of this thing. Throw them down here in the box. Got another one here. I ain't got nothing up here that'll cut it except for a little hacksaw, and I ain't doing that, so bear with me for a second, guys. These are our washers. We're going to need these here in a second. Set them down right there. Now, reasons you all might be changing out your shower head. Number one, you might have it clogged up. You might have a problem with it. You know, it might be jacked up, whatever. You might just want to get a new one. You know what I'm saying? They're coming out with all these different shower heads that are giving you pretty much all kinds of shit. I mean, it's like taking a damn shower in a fucking rainforest with these kind of things. I mean, look at the damn shower head. They didn't make that kind of shit years ago, you know? So anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to take this here hose. Get our little washers out of here real quick. Check out your ends. Alright, so the ends are the same. So stick your washer in. Shove it down in there. Make sure it's nice and flat. Give her a little twist while you got your finger in the hole like that. Okay? We're going to do the same thing on the other one. If you guys don't do this shit right, then it'll leak. You'll be redoing it. You might have to go buy new washers if you fuck them up. Just push them on in there like that. And that's what y'all are looking for, okay? Hopefully y'all can see that clearly. But anyways, we're going to come back up here to our shower head. You're going to take one end of the hose. Like I said before, back thread it first. Always go backwards till you catch the thread. Otherwise, you're fucking up the threads. Sorry, you guys aren't even looking at that shit. You back thread it till you catch that click. Hang on, I'm gonna drop this other end. There we go. And when you hear that click, you guys can twist around like that, okay? Now this is only a hand tight operation for these, so you just torque her on there. And we might have done her too tight, our washer's popping out, whatever. It's doing her job, you know what I mean? And then we're gonna come down here, grab our handy dandy little wand we're gonna be sticking on there. This is a magnetics, if you guys can read that. I'm gonna put you guys down to watch this. Put you right here. Same thing goes for that, okay? Always back thread it first. Back thread it till you feel it, and then twist her on, okay? So that's that, okay? Now with this thing, you ain't even got to hook her up there. It's all magnetic, so you just pop it right on in there. Good as what you need right there. So now we got to test this thing out a little bit. Now this tub is filthy. I just put this thing in, but I had to do my water system or water heater. I should have shown you guys a video of that shit, but I wasn't doing these back then, so I gotta clean all those out. This is gonna be in my kid's bathroom when I get done with it. But anyways, you just point it over that way. We ain't got a curtain or nothing yet, and we'll give her a little rip here. And there you have it. Look at that. So we got that's running. You guys want the top, twist that little knob there. Now you got both of them running. Look at the water coming out on that. See, these pipes ain't been ran in a while. Got to get all this black shit out of here. Life living on a well is what you guys got to deal with. This kind of shit here. But anyways, that's how you all put a shower head in. You guys check up here, make sure it ain't leaking. Check there, it ain't leaking. Check here, it ain't leaking. Pull this off. You can stop it. Let it go. I mean, shit, this right here, folks, is a job well done. You know what I'm saying? See, we're getting that black shit out of the lines now. These pipes have been sitting for a couple months. I've been dealing with this bathroom for a while. Anyways, I should have shown y'all how to tile this bathroom, but we'll get into stuff like that later. But you guys can see there's some projects up and coming. I've been doing some mudding in here. We took out a double vanity. Had to change out the water lines. We're gonna have to split this here. We're gonna be putting in 2 lighted vanity mirrors, and then we're gonna be installing. I don't have the case for it, but this little fan right here from Lowe's. We'll be installing that. I'll be showing you guys a video on that. It's just a work in progress, that's all. But anyways, now we can turn the water off. If you all like this content, please make sure you like and subscribe to the videos. My name's Leroy Scuttlebutt. This is called Leroy Fixing Shit. And I'm just basically here to show you all how to fix shit around your house. That way you ain't got to pay nobody to do it. Save you a little money. Save you a little time. Well, not really save you time, but shit. The money is worth it. So you all like the content, like I said, please like and subscribe. And like I said, some upcoming videos we're going to be doing some vanity mirrors here. We're going to be doing a little bit of light electrical work, okay? We got to move that wire. We got to split that thing right there into 3. We got to come down to 2 mirrors, okay? We got to get our vent installed up here, and then we're going to be installing 2 of these vanities here. So, like I said, if you guys like the content, I mean, we're going to be getting into some serious stuff. We're going to be doing some funny stuff. We're going to be doing some stupid shit, but we're going to be getting the job done at the end of the day. Scooter McQueen's coming back up here soon. He's going to be helping me out a little bit more. But yeah, that's what our bathroom looks like here. We put this vinyl flooring too. I got to show you guys how to do that someday coming up. But yeah, this has been a work in progress. It's a job and a half, but I mean, we got a long ways to go, but we're getting there. So put the tub in, put the tile up, new toilet. Took out that big ass vanity with that shelf going across. Took out a medicine cabinet here. You guys can see I got to sand and mud this again, but that's coming out pretty good. So that's pretty much what we're working on right now. These will be upcoming videos shortly. I got to paint the ceiling. I'm going to show you all how to paint a room. I'll be going out to my parents' house soon too, so I'm going to show you all how to paint down there too, and give you a couple different videos on that so you guys can see exactly how to paint a wall, pretty much like the professionals do. I used to do tile work, so in and out of the new construction houses, I used to see all kinds of shit like that. So anyways, like I said, that's our bathroom. That's what we're doing. That's our channel, Leroy Fixing Shit. Sorry this video is so long. Somebody said you got to make this shit over 10 minutes, so I figured, fuck it, we were close enough, I'd stretch her on out. So sorry about that, guys. But anyways, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm gonna show you all how to fix all kinds of shit around your house. We got a little mini plumbing project coming up tomorrow too. I got to get some fittings for it. But like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.